Hello, Dr. Krish. This is Vamsi Annamreddy. I'll be doing the presentation on behalf of my team, Group O3. So, uh, we have almost developed everything that is specified in the requirements document. There are a few things that we missed, so I'll be talking about them as well. But now I think I'll go straight away into the uh, website review. So as you can see, these are all the options that we have, and we can navigate to any page from here. So I click on enter, we go to the search page, and because I did not log in into the application, as you can see, we have put a message saying welcome guest. So you can do a search based on any item, any particular book title that you have in your mind. The system will pull up those items if it is available in the database, or else you can just simply click on search and it will show up all the items that are available in the database. Um, and we have developed the queries in a way that it can actually pull the items based on more than one search criteria. So in this case, as you can see, I'm searching both on the author and publisher being Rowling. So when I click on search, as you can see, we have a Rowling as the author and then the publisher as Rowling as well. So we can do that as well, and then we have the ability to do the search by category as well. So this is the other way in which the search can be done. And finally, you can choose you can search in any title of your interest, and then still the system will bring up all the items. But for now I will just go click ahead on search, and then we'll try to add some items to the cart. So I add the items to the cart. As you can see, the add to cart functionality is working, and it is updating the cart here. And then I go to manage to shopping cart. As you can see, the book title is New Age Revolution here, and Silence of the Lambs. The quantity is populated as 1. So I can update the quantity here. So as you can see, I updated and it automatically updated the sum here. So we actually used Ajax here to get this subtotal updated. But the recalculate payment also does the same job. Essentially, what it does is it actually reloads the page, so it is not going to make any much difference. But anyway, like I said, the subtotal gets updated correctly, and then when I click on proceed to checkout, because this user is not registered in the system, he needs to register. So you go back here and register yourself. But now I will try to log in as an existing user and show the functionality. So I go to the returning customer and click on enter, and I will try to buy a book. As you can see, I'm logged in now, so it shows my ID and it welcomes me. So I'll do a search now. So I'll go ahead and add a couple of items, and then I will click on manage to shopping cart, and I would like to uh, get 2 books of New Age Revolution and 6 books of this. Oops. 6 books of Silence of the Lambs, and then I'll go to proceed to checkout. As you can see, it takes me to the page, the confirm order page. As you can see, my address got populated. This is the credit card information that I have on the file, and as you can see, the subtotal is still 75. And because these are like 8 books, I have like $16 as a shipping handling charges, and finally the total amount is going to be $91. And now I click on buy it, and as you can see, it will take me to a proof of purchase page, and it will show me the information related to the time at which this is bought. As you can notice, this is bought at around 10:25, and right now it's around 10:26. So it's working as expected. And also there is one more function that I would like to show. So probably I'll re-log in again. Just click on enter. Okay, I will do a search again, and then add a couple of books, and then I'll go to manage shopping cart, and then I click on proceed to checkout, and I'll try to add a new credit card. So in this case, we have not used delivered. When I say delivered, the given project's information, but we try to change this and fit into our needs. So I will. And expiry date is going to be 90909, and then I will click on buy it, and as you can see, my credit card is ending with 5436, and we should see the same thing in the next page. So as you can see here, my credit card is ending in 5436, and as you can see, the purchase time is 1027. It's on 619, that is today. So this is working as expected, and when I click on print, it shows me that I can print from the local printer that is attached to the system. In this case, I do not have anything, but that's pretty much with the functionality of the system from the time we purchase to the time we come out of the we buy a actual book. And the other thing that I would like to show you is we also have an admin page where we the details of the books and stuff like that. So let me walk you through that as well. So as you can see, this is the admin login, and I will log in as an admin now. So as you can see, we have like total 10 registered customers in the system. We have 9 books. We have 2 adventure books, 2 fantasy books, 4 fiction books, 1 horror book. And I mentioned that we missed something that we were not able to complete. So this is one thing that we were not able to complete at the time of this demo, and we'll work on it and see if we can actually complete this. And then this is the other area where we actually have got the title and the number of reviews per title. So that's pretty much it. And going back to the new customer, we have the ability to actually create a new customer. I'll show you. And I click on register. It says the user is registered. But and now you have to go back to the. We do not have an option to go back directly to the search, so we have to click the search online and then go back and actually uh, log in from there. As you can see, I registered as VNMR6 and I'm able to get into the system. So that's pretty much it. And coming into the database, so this is the database piece. As you can see, we did not use the address table at all. This is the admin table. We have the info. We have like these many number of admins, and these are the books that we have. Like if you remember, it's like 10 books, and this is 10 actually. And then we have the customer info, and then we have the order info, and as you can see, the date timestamps are getting updated here. Let me probably go to the latest ones which are done right now, 2227. These are the ones that we did right now. So these are the orders that we have placed. And finally the reviews, what reviews that we have got for the books. So that's pretty much it. And I hope you like it, and thank you so much.